The universe is vast. Countless stars dot the cosmos. Around many of these stars, planets orbit, just like our own solar system. Could some of these planets be our future homes? For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars. We have wondered if we are alone. Now we are on the verge of answering that question. Not by finding aliens, but by becoming them. We are becoming a spacefaring species, venturing beyond our home planet. Our journey will begin with our celestial neighbors. Mars, the red planet, holds the promise of a new beginning. Venus, shrouded in thick clouds, presents unique challenges and opportunities. And then there are the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, like Europa and Titan, with their hidden oceans and potential for life. The challenges of living on other planets are immense, but so are the rewards. Imagine gazing up at a Martian sunset, the sky ablaze with hues of pink and orange. Or living in a floating city above the clouds of Venus, bathed in the soft glow of the sun. The future of humanity lies among the stars. Let's begin our journey. Mars, the red planet, a cold, dry world, but it holds the promise of a new home for humanity. Before we can build that home, we must understand the challenges. The Martian atmosphere is thin, very thin. It's mostly carbon dioxide. We need oxygen to breathe. The thin atmosphere also means little protection from the sun's radiation. We'll need shelter. Temperatures on Mars are extreme, very cold at night. During the day, it can get warmer, but still below freezing most of the time. Our homes will need to keep us warm and protect us from the harsh sunlight. Gravity is another factor. Mars has less gravity than Earth, about 38%. This might be fun for a while, jumping higher, feeling lighter. But long-term exposure could weaken our bones and muscles. We need to understand how to live with lower gravity. Despite these challenges, Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. It has water ice, maybe even liquid water underground, and a day length similar to Earth's. With ingenuity and innovation, we can overcome these challenges and make Mars our second home. Imagine stepping out of your front door and onto the surface of Mars. The red dust crunches beneath your boots. You look up at a pale pink sky. This is home. What would it look like? Our homes on Mars will be different. They have to be. The thin atmosphere and radiation mean we can't live in the open. Our homes will need to be sealed, airtight, protecting us from the outside environment. One possibility is building underground, using Martian soil or regolith to create protective structures. These underground homes would be shielded from radiation and the temperature would be more stable. Another option is building above ground, but using thick protective walls. These walls could be made from Martian concrete, a mixture of regolith and sulfur, heated and molded into strong, durable building blocks. Inside, our Martian homes will need to be self-sustaining. We'll need to grow our own food, recycle our water, and generate our own power using solar panels or other renewable sources. Life on Mars will be different, but it will be an adventure, a chance to build a new society, a new future among the stars. From the cold, dry deserts of Mars, we journey to Venus, our other planetary neighbor. Venus is a planet of extremes. A world of intense heat, crushing pressure, and sulfuric acid clouds. Not exactly welcoming. The atmosphere on Venus is thick, much thicker than Earth's. It's mostly carbon dioxide, trapping heat and creating a runaway greenhouse effect. Temperatures on the surface can reach over 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. The pressure on the surface is intense. Over 90 times that of Earth's atmosphere. Imagine being at the bottom of a swimming pool, then multiply that pressure by 90. That's what it's like on Venus. And then there are the clouds. Thick, swirling clouds of sulfuric acid. Not exactly rain you want to get caught in. These clouds reflect sunlight, giving Venus its high albedo and making it the brightest object in our night sky after the moon. Venus is a harsh mistress, but even in this extreme environment, there might be a way for humans to live. We just need to think outside the box, or rather, above the clouds. Section 5. Taming the Venusian inferno, imagining life in the clouds. The surface of Venus is out of the question. Too hot, too much pressure. But what about above the clouds? High in the Venusian atmosphere, there's a layer where the temperature and pressure are similar to Earth's. This could be our key to living on Venus. Imagine floating cities, giant airships suspended in the Venusian sky. These cities would be shielded from the harsh radiation and extreme temperatures of the surface, and the thick atmosphere would provide buoyancy, keeping the cities afloat. These floating cities could be made of durable, lightweight materials, perhaps even graphene, a super-strong material made from carbon. Solar panels on the upper decks would provide power, while the lower decks could be used for living spaces, hydroponic gardens, and even recreation areas. Life in a Venusian cloud city would be different, but it could be surprisingly Earth-like, with breathable air, comfortable temperatures, and stunning views of the swirling Venusian cloudscape. It's a bold vision, but one that might just be possible. Section 6. Beyond Mars and Venus, expanding our horizons. Mars and Venus are just the beginning. Our solar system is full of potential homes. Moons orbiting Jupiter and Saturn offer intriguing possibilities. Europa, Enceladus, Titan, each with its own unique characteristics. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, is covered in ice, but beneath that icy shell, scientists believe there's a vast ocean of liquid water. More water than all the oceans on Earth combined. This ocean could potentially harbor life and might one day be home to underwater habitats for humans. Enceladus, another moon of Saturn, also has a subsurface ocean, and geysers that erupt from its south polar region, spewing water vapor and ice particles into space. These geysers could provide a source of water and energy for future human settlements. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is a world of methane lakes and rivers. It has a thick atmosphere, rich in organic molecules. While it's extremely cold, Titan's abundance of hydrocarbons could be a valuable resource for energy and materials. These are just a few examples of the many potential homes that await us in our solar system. As we continue to explore, we're sure to discover even more possibilities. The future of humanity is out there, among the stars. Section 7. Building a home on Europa, exploring an icy moon. Europa, Jupiter's enigmatic moon, beckons with the promise of life. Beneath its icy shell, a vast ocean teems with possibilities. But how do we build a home on a world encased in ice? The challenges are immense. The icy surface is bombarded by radiation from Jupiter. Temperatures plunge to hundreds of degrees below freezing, and the ocean lies beneath miles of ice. We need to be creative. Imagine robotic probes melting their way through the ice, creating a path to the ocean below. These probes could deploy underwater habitats, self-contained environments where humans could live and work, protected from the harsh conditions above. These underwater habitats would need to be self-sufficient, generating their own power, perhaps from hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, recycling their water and air, and growing their own food. A true test of our ingenuity. Life on Europa would be unlike anything we've ever known, but it would be an incredible adventure, exploring a hidden ocean, searching for signs of life, and expanding the reach of humanity to a new world. Section 8. The challenges of extraterrestrial construction materials and design. Building homes on other planets requires rethinking construction. We can't just ship materials from Earth. It's too expensive, too time-consuming. We need to use what's available. On Mars, we have regolith, the Martian soil. We can use it to create Martian concrete, mixing it with sulfur and heating it. This creates a strong, durable building material perfect for building structures on Mars. On Venus, we need lightweight yet strong materials for our floating cities. Graphene, a super strong material made from carbon, could be the answer. It's lightweight, flexible, and incredibly strong. Ideal for building in the Venusian atmosphere, 3D printing will also play a crucial role. We can send robots ahead to build structures before humans arrive, using local materials and 3D printing techniques, creating homes, laboratories, and even entire cities. Building on other planets is a challenge, but it's a challenge we can overcome. By using our ingenuity and embracing new technologies, we can create homes for humanity among the stars. Section 9. A tapestry of life, envisioning a multi-planetary future. Imagine a future where humanity is no longer confined to Earth, where we have outposts on Mars, Venus and beyond, a true multi-planetary species. What would that look like? Each planet would develop its own unique culture, shaped by its environment and the challenges of living there. Martians might be known for their resilience and ingenuity, Venusians for their adaptability and love of adventure. We would exchange knowledge and resources, learning from each other's experiences, and working together to overcome the challenges of living in space, creating a network of interconnected worlds. This multi-planetary future is not a utopia. There will be challenges, conflicts, and setbacks, but it will be an incredible journey, a testament to the human spirit of exploration and our desire to reach for the stars. Section 10, Reaching for the Stars. Our destiny awaits. The universe is vast, full of mysteries and wonders. And it's calling to us, inviting us to explore, to discover, to make it our home. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. The chance to explore new worlds, to discover new life forms, and to ensure the survival of our species by becoming a multi-planetary civilization. This is our destiny, to reach for the stars, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to create a future where humanity can thrive, not just on Earth, but among the stars. The journey begins now.